بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear students, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdathi. So as you can see, today we are still at our third lesson, lesson number 3 of our unit, shops and malls. Shops and malls. We decided that it is a very important lesson. That's why we decided to have it into 2 parts. We already done with part number 1, and today we will have the second and the last part of lesson number 3, and also we will have a chance to revise part number 1. So if any reason you missed that lesson, this will be your chance. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson, my dear student. We practiced naming more shops. Actually, we need to do this also in this lesson. Also, we were able to answer the question, where can we buy this or where can we get these? Also, we answered the questions, how many and how much. Okay? This is the cover of your unit, unit number 4, shops and malls. This is the last unit of your book. The last unit of your book, book number 4. Of course, we will have time to revise, have revision, and have some enrichment activities. By the end of this lesson, inshallah, you'll be able to name more shops, of course, because today we'll be doing something different. We will be able to give directions, help someone to get to her or to his destination. Okay, so let's learn how to do that properly. This is a shop. But as I told you, or as I mentioned this before, we cannot decide what kind of shop is this. We cannot tell what does this shop sell. Okay, we don't have anything on the display, we don't have a name, so it could be anything. Okay, so let's try to revise the shops that we have or we shop from. Okay. In this lesson, in the previous lesson, we practiced the 2 questions, how much and how many. And I gave you this homework so you could practice using how much and how many properly. We use how many with countable items. As you can see here, my dear student, I have lemons, eggs, books, boys, animals, bananas, apples, houses. All these are countable nouns. As for the uncountable nouns, all the items here we cannot count. I have chocolate, jam, coffee, I have a milkshake, money, bread, milk, juice, any kind of liquids, water, meat, chicken. They are uncountable nouns. Okay, that was your homework. So let's check if you get this correctly. Starting from the first one, how apples. So help me out here. Is it how much or how many? Based on the noun we have here, I have apples with an S for plural. What do you think? How much or how many? Very good. Your answer is correct. How many apples? How many apples? How about number 2? How water. What do you think? Countable or uncountable? Very good. Your answer is again correct. How much water do you need? How much water do we have? Very good. Number 3, bread. What do you think? Very good. Bread is uncountable. That's why we will say how much bread do you eat every day, for example. Okay? How about number 4? I have the word cheese. Cheese. What do you think? It's in the singular form. I don't have an S. So how much cheese? Very good. How much cheese do we need? Okay? How about number 5? I have popcorn. Popcorn. What do you think? How much or how many? Very good. Popcorn is uncountable. That's why we will use much. How much popcorn do we eat? For the last one, I have milk. It's a liquid. Very good. We will go for much. How much milk do you drink every day? We can see carrots here. How many carrots? A bowl of rice. How much rice? Salt and pepper. How much salt? I have lemons. How many lemons do we need for our recipe, for example? Very good. So always remember that how much is used with uncountable nouns, how many is used with countable nouns. Now, again, going back to our shops, we need to revise the shops that we already know in order to add more shops. Because as I mentioned at the beginning of this lesson, we will help someone to get to his destination. So it will be a very good idea to remember the names of the shops that we might describe or we might give in our directions. For example, we have a bookstore. We have a bookstore. What can we get from a bookstore? Books, magazines, very good, notebooks. So the first store or the first shop we have is a bookstore. A bookstore, very good. How about the next one? Very good. We have a meat shop. We have a meat shop. Okay? What can we get from a meat shop? Remind me, my dear student. We might get meat. Very good. Chicken, sausages. Very good. We might get fish. Very good. So we might get meat from a meat shop. The next one here is a laundry. It's a place that we go if we need to get our outfits cleaned or washed, okay? So we might wash and dry our clothes at the laundry, very good. How about this shop, my dear student? We introduced this shop several times. Very good, it is a dress shop, where we can get different kind of outfits and clothes from this shop. For the next one, I have a bakery. Where we can get the bread, the cake, the toast, the cupcakes, the donuts, the cookies. We can get them from a bakery, of course. And we have this nice shop, which is a flower shop, where we can get any kind of flowers that we are looking for. And of course, we need pharmacies all the time to get medicines and to get vitamins. Where? From a pharmacy. Very good. So pharmacies are very important. And also we have a furniture shop. Furniture shop is normally a huge place. It's a big place where we can buy furniture like beds, sofas, cupboards, lamps, chairs, tables. Very good. We can buy them from a furniture shop. Now, I need you to take a look at this man and tell me, how do you think this man feels? How do you think he feels? Is he sure about? Is he confused? What do you think? The best word to describe this man is that he's confused. Confused about what? About where to go. As you can see, he's looking at the sign and he cannot decide which way is the way. Where could he go? So, in order to help this man, this confused man, we need to be giving him some directions. As you can see here, we will be giving directions. In order to do this, my dear student, we need to go with basics. What do we mean by directions? As you remember, we started in our third unit when we give the directions, the 4 directions, the north, the south, the east, the west. But today we will be doing this differently inside the cities or the villages that we are living in. Giving directions could be very easy. How can we do this? First, we need to ask the question, where is the store? Or where is the house? Where is the office? Where is the mosque? We need to get to a place, right? Because our unit is about shops and malls, most probably we'll be describing a store's location or a shop's location, okay? By asking this question, where is the store? Where is the shop? Where is the furniture shop? Where can I find the bakery? Or we might use this kind of a question, where should I go? Or help me with the directions. Okay, remember, to get the place or the location, we often need the question word where. Where should I go? Where's this place? Okay, so let's start with simple directions. Okay, let's start with this one. What do you think this one needs, my dear student? I know you know this one because it's an easy one. Does this one means make a U-turn? Do you think it means go right, go left, stop? What do you think this sign mean? Very good. It is. It means go straight. Very good. Go straight. So let's read it several times as we are progressing, because I'll be giving you more directions. Because remember, we are trying to help the confused man to get to his destination. So go straight. Go straight. One more time. Go straight. One last time. Go straight. Very good. So this is the first step we might use in order to give direction. But how about this one, my dear student? Is it still go straight? Is this a direction that we should use? The answer is no. I know you can get this one. This is an easy one. Let me help you out. Shall I say turn left or turn right? What do you think? Shall I say turn left or turn right? Very good. You are absolutely right. Turn left. Very good. So this is another direction. Turn left. Turn left. One more time. Turn left. One last time. Turn left. Very good, very good. So far we took go straight, turn left. Now, let's have different signs. They are not difficult, they are very easy. So let's start taking them one at a time. Just as I'm reading, repeat after me while you are taking a look at the sign itself. Okay, what does the direction tells you? The first one here is I have a roundabout. Second one, take the second right. Next to turn right, go past, take the second left, traffic lights, go straight on, opposite, turn left. So let's read them one more time. Roundabout, take the second right, next to, turn right, go past, take the second left, traffic lights, go straight on, opposite, and turn left. Here are some of the directions that we might give to our confused man. Now, here I have some of the signs that we just read about. I need your help. I have all the names here in the box. Okay? Now, take your time. Just look at the signs and read the words and try to match them. I'll be giving you 30 seconds. I know you can do this. Try to start with the easy one, the ones that you already know by now. 30 seconds, and then I'll be revealing the answers. So let's start with the first one. I know you can get this one because it's an easy one. The first sign means turn left. Very good. The first one means turn left. How about the right next to it? What do we have? We have turn around. Very good. Turn around. Or we might say make a U-turn. Okay? How about the next one? This is an easy one. Very good. Turn right. Turn right. Very good. So let's read our answers. Turn left. Turn around. Turn right. Very good. Now, let's go to the next line. What do you think these signs mean? I have stop, don't enter, and I have construction site. I have signs. Very good. I have signs. They are caution signs. They will tell you that you need to do something. It's either slow down or this is a school zone, okay? Because we might see the signs here. Next one I have go straight or go straight on. And the last one, this is an easy one, I have a traffic light. Traffic light. So let's read our answers one last time. Turn left, turn around, turn right, signs, go straight, and traffic light. And traffic light. Very good. Now, here is a simple map, my dear student. Okay? For a map, as you can see, I have so many buildings here in the map. And I have, let's say, 3 main streets. Okay? Now, I need you to help me out because I try to put the place where you're at. You are here. Okay? Now, help me out to get to the cafe, for example. How can I get to the cafe, my dear student? First, try to find the cafe here. Okay? Let's read the names of the roads or the street first. I have the Green Street, King's Road, and Bond Street. Now, help me to get to the cafe. Where is the cafe, my dear student? Try to locate the cafe on the map and then help me to get to my destination. How to get to the cafe? Now, I am at the cross sign or the traffic lights. Where do I need to go? Give me the directions. Very good. First, we need to go straight on the Bond Street. Okay? Then take the first, what do you think? Take the first right or the second right? Where's the cafe? Very good. We need to take the second right. Very good. We need to get the second right at the King's Road. The cafe is next to the Italian restaurant. Can you see the cafe? Now, let's say the directions one more time. We need to go straight on the Bond Street, take the second right, and then you will find the cafe next to the Italian restaurant. Remember, we can give the directions to any place here at the map. We need to know the directions are the signs that we just practiced. Go straight, take left, take the second left, make a U-turn or go around, and so on. Now, how about this one? Here I have West Street, East Street, South Street, and I have so many stores and places here. I can see, for example, a bank, a hotel, a bookstore, a post office, a hospital, a supermarket. Okay, let's say that you are at the West Street, okay, and you need to get to the police station, for example. Okay, you are at the West Street, you need to turn or take the first right, go straight past the East Street, and you will find the police station opposite the zoo or right next to the bus station. That's where you can find the police station. Remember, practice playing this or giving directions with any member of the family. Use this map or this map. Maybe you will find this one much easier to give directions to any member of the family with any place here. Pick, for example, the hospital and describe to a family member how to get to the hospital. Don't make them lose their way. Or maybe if you prefer this one, practice giving directions using this map as well. Now, I need you to open your books at page 51. As you can see here, again, I have a map. I have a map here, and what we are going to do, we will give directions. I'll be zooming for the upper part and then to the lower part. Listen and say. Now, we need to analyze the map first. I can see Street 1, Street 2, Street 3, and Street 4. And I can see a blue street, a green one, an orange street, and a yellow street. So many buildings here, right? The boy, or the first boy, is asking, where is the new school? Where is the new school? So he's asking his friend about what? The directions. Now, go straight, then go left at the yellow street. That's the school, as you can see. So, let's read one more time. Where's the new school? Go straight, then go left at the yellow street. So he helped him out here. Now, we need to ask the 3 questions that we have here. Where is the airport? Where is the mosque? And where is the bookshop? Let's give, for example, the directions to the airport, my dear student. Where is the airport? Now remember, I have a yellow street, orange, green, and blue. The airport is at the yellow street, right? So we need to go straight at the yellow street, pass street number 4, and the airport will be on your left side. Okay, so that's the airport. Same for mosque and for the bookshop. Practice this with a family member right next to you. Give directions here. Practice giving directions, and don't forget to use these signs. I'll be giving you this as an example, as a homework. Go ahead and do it. We will be doing this next lesson. So let's revise our lesson, my dear student. We were able to answer the question, where is the store? Give me directions. Where can I go? Okay, and you did an awesome job trying to help this confused man. We tried to help him to get to his destination. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.